Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, November 4th. Today, after you check in on campus, you have more time to work on your rough draft. Remember that your paragraph should be focusing on the theme of one of the stories that you chose. So either Ruthless, Blue, or The Sniper. Don't summarize the story. You should be explaining how the author creates the theme of the story. So you should start off your paragraph with the theme statement, and then the whole rest of your paragraph should explain how that theme is created. In your paragraph, you should be talking about things like characters, setting, conflict, plot, and symbols, and how those things help create the theme. When you're finished, you need to turn it in by 11:59 tonight. You need to turn it in both on Schoology, so that's the Dropbox here. You also need to turn it in on EduFlow so that we are able to do some peer editing. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.